Today, I'll show you how to check your money on PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before signing in. Now enter your email or mobile number, then enter your password. If PayPal asks for a security code, complete the verification step. Once you are signed in, you should land on the PayPal home screen. Look for your PayPal balance. This is where PayPal shows how much money is currently available in your account. If you are using the PayPal app, the balance is usually shown near the top of the home screen. Tap the balance to see more details. Here, you may see available money, money on hold, pending payments, or different currency balances if you have received money in more than one currency. If you are using PayPal on a computer, go to the main dashboard or click Wallet. Your balance should appear there. If you do not see any balance, it may mean your PayPal balance is zero or the money was already transferred, spent, refunded, or placed on hold. To check recent money movement, open Activity. This section shows your recent payments, transfers, refunds, withdrawals, and money received. Tap or click any transaction to view the details. You can check the amount, date, sender, receiver, status, and transaction ID. If a payment says pending, it may not be fully available yet. If it says on hold, PayPal may be reviewing the payment or waiting for order confirmation. If it says completed, the transaction has already been processed. You can also check if your money is in another currency. Open your balance or wallet section and look for currency options. If you receive dollars, euros, pounds, or another currency, PayPal may keep it separate from your main balance until you convert or use it. If you are expecting money but do not see it, confirm that the sender used the correct PayPal email address or mobile number. Also, check your email inbox for PayPal notifications. Be careful with fake PayPal emails. Always sign in directly through the official app or website instead of clicking suspicious links. So, to keep it simple, sign in to PayPal, check your balance on the home screen or wallet, open Activity to review transactions, and check payment status if money is pending or on hold. And that's how you check your money on PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.